A 21-year-old woman was slaughtered by her own father because he thought that she brought dishonor to this family by having a relationship with other caste person. Good afternoon everyone, I am Vamsi Krishna and I am here to talk about honor killing. Honor killing is where one family members kill their own family member uh, because they think that these people brought shame and dishonor to this family. The reasons for honor killing is disapproval of parents' arranged marriage, or uh, having or having a relationship with other caste person or marrying other caste person, etc. An estimation of 5,000 honor killings happen in our country every year, and there is no systematic collection of these honor killings in many countries. The methods used in the honor killing might be burning alive, throat slashing, or stabbing. The women are uh, slaughtered by men in public because so that they can warn other women and other communities. Uh, the most heartbreaking thing is uh, killing rape victims. In 2015, a woman was killed by her father and brothers because she was gang raped. They thought that this brought dishonor and shame to this family, so they killed her. And in ancient Rome, husband has the right to kill a woman who found guilty for adultery. And also in China, the husband has the right to kill in ancient times. During ancient times, the husband used to have the right to kill a daughter and wife who brought dishonor and shame to this family. Even in our country, still many women and female does not have a personal and independent life. They're always underestimated by their family members, and they're always and their interest always had been not encouraged by their family members. And my only question is, uh, where does these people get the courage and fear to do such nasty things? And the honor killing is also not this honor killings is also not getting as much as attention like the murders and rapes, like these other crimes, which must be changed. And finally, this pressure from family members uh, and society can be hard, but we must stay harder. Thank you.